Yes, I like orchestra when it is played with such a huge passion by an mard. But nowadays Mr. Hardik करके आया.
अबे साले.
I mean Mr. Hardik Pandya is trying to become din check Puja 2.0, which is giving sar dard.
दिलों का शूटर है मेरा स्कूटर.
You should try and follow other things in life, but never try to become Raya Chakrabarti by doing two things at a time, acting and killing. I am really sorry. A short correction, acting and drugs. But I feel sad, not for the listeners who tolerate Mr. Pandya, not for the cricketers, not for Ambani family, not for his experiment with music. But I feel sorry for the mic. He has to tolerate his voice and even this piano. Salute to you, my brother. I have heard that Mumbai Indians, after a long tiring day, for refreshment they have designed this entertainment room. We have DJ Bobby, DJ Bolia, DJ Golia, so much talented musicians. Why are you guys saving money? No, you guys deserve better than Mr. Pandya. Yes, you guys deserve dank issue. Best of luck to Mr. Pandya and Mumbai Indians. Just don't show your body after hitting 6. Moving forward on the second category, entertainment. Many theories are continuously been put out by our Indian version of Albert Einstein on the case of late Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput.
आवाज कम.
This is a huge debatable point. Was he mentally ill or murdered, and all the Bollywood mafia connections? And I'm personally with Sushant sir. I just want that Sushant sir gets justice. I tried posting on social media a couple of days back for justice, but I can't understand. I'm very confused.
थक चुका हूं मैं.
Justice for Sushant Singh Rajput or Kangana Ranaut? She's fighting bravely. This takes a lot of guts. But I saw her interview with Mr. Arnab Goswami where Kangana ma'am was saying Mahesh Bhatt threw chappal at her, which is horrible. But she was there to take stand for Sushant or herself.
It's not about me.
आवाज कम.
Mahesh Bhatt is the guy who can be called as Imran Hashmi, but he has launched Imran Hashmi, and now Imran Hashmi doesn't want to work now.
जॉब मिली.
Confusion at its peak. Justice for Sushant sir.
आवाज कम.
Moving forward on third category, YouTube. Mr. Lakshya Chaudhary on fire after coming out of bathroom.
अभी नहाने गया मैं, मैसेज पढ़ के गया था. तुम बहन के तुम पागल हो. तुम्हें इतना समझाता हूँ मैं, तुम पूछिए तुम में अकल नहीं है क्या? नहीं. स्टूडेंट लोन की ऐप से कोई एम पॉकेट पता नहीं बहुत सारी ऐप है, उनसे पैसे ले लेते हैं. तुम्हारे बाप को फोन खटकाएंगे, तुम्हारी माँ को, तुम्हारे व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज फॉरवर्ड कर देते हैं वो खुद ही. ना घर वाले तुम्हें 5,000 रुपए महीने के दे रहे हैं, निकाल लो.
By the way bro, I don't even get 5 rupees as my pocket money 5,000. Whenever he speaks the truth like our father of nation. The lockdowns badly affected my crush. No, not Gautami. She is my second crush. I'm talking about Prajakta Kohli. Miss Prajakta is getting lazy like tortoise. Get up my crush and do makeup so that I can keep liking you. Mr. Basha is excited for Desi Londa's video. Mr. Amit Badana.
हाँ भाई क्या हाल है? कल तो फिर बर्थडे वीडियो आ रही है?
Never mind guys, Badshah sir's excitement I can feel till here.
बहुत excited हूँ.
Latak, jatak, matak and patak.
ये ऐसे ही था. तेरी माँ का.
Tanmay Bhatt's most preferred drink when he gets tensed or sees something out of the box is Lysol.
This is the bound check that we've accessed here as well.
Which kills 99.9% tetano in your brain. Moving forward on a fourth category, what if? A short, entertaining as fuck experiment by Mr. Meka Boshi with humor and reality. ये सच्चाई content है.
Content.
Yesterday night, Sushant Singh Rajput attempts suicide in his Bandra house, but his maid came at the right time, broke the door, saved him, and Sushant is all set for his next movie shoot. This is my vision guys, hope you accept this because everything in this category what if will end with a positive note.
कदम कदम पे खतरा है.
Rather than trending topics like Binod and Rasode mein kaun tha, people are trending topics like increasing unemployment, falling GDP.
मैं बेरोजगार हूँ.
And yesterday night many people slept without eating a piece of chapati. This is miracle, unbelievable. People started supporting games like football, kabaddi, athletics rather than only cricket, and they care about other sports and support it as well. Government bans PUBG, but Prime Minister promises to all the streamers, especially Dynamo, that he will launch a new game soon.
मैं बेरोजगार हूँ. Content.
Titled Modi ji, but in the description you need to write ये PUBG वाला है क्या?
मेरे पीछे सो जाओ.
Moving forward on a fifth category, gaming. Modi ji, no. Thank you for banning this game, PUBG. My room is finally healing now. My lovely friend who stays with me by shouting and shouting like dogs injured my room and its walls. But I am sad for the man who was the developer of Patta Se Headshot, Dynamo.
कुछ भी बोलता है.
I mean Dynamo. What would these guys do now? Modi ji, first of all, jobs are not been given in a country, and those guys having jobs, you are taking it away. बेरोजगारी at its peak.
इसीलिए यहाँ पर युवा बेरोजगार है.
But this is the decision of my country. Yes, border tension going on between India and China. And some people like to sit in their Fortuner first copy cars and give pravachan on Desh Bhakti. And now get ready to play this completely copied game where you will get dal roti after winning. Yes, titled Fauji. Rest in peace PUBG. You were important to me, same like my exams. Fuck you.
साले को बम से उड़ा दूंगा.
Moving forward on the sixth category, mobiles and vehicles. After 29 years, the biggest car, the coolest car to show your money and baap ka paisa. SUVs all set to come back in the market. Nobody cares unless you give that free like Jio SIM card.
अब मैं क्या करूँ दोस्तों?
This car is completely surrounded by bold profiles like Miss Anveshi Jain. She is my third crush.
किसी एक का तो हो.
Also, you are been given 24-inch multi-spoke wheels so that you don't just randomly jump your car and drive on footpath killing innocent people. Also, 12.1-inch touchscreen displays provided for entertainment. Wow! Now you can sit back, relax and watch Tapatap in a car. Just imagine that feeling. Car, trees, 4-track roads, clouds. Chi. You guys started to imagine.
अब मैं क्या करूँ दोस्तों?
Time for international news. America elections at the end, and currently while I am scripting, Biden is slightly ahead of Mr. Trump, like Ittusa, small baby. World's most loneliest elephant to end his life soon. From last 35 years struggling for survival and now been taken to Cambodia for treatment. Let's take a quick look on positive news or achievements point at today. Pune. A man donates his wife's brain dead organs and saves life of 2 patients. Hats off, sir. Telangana, Mr. Suresh Kumar, a teacher, travels 300 villages across India to spread awareness of COVID-19 by making huge billboards.
सीखो कुछ, जरा आगे बढ़ो.
Thanks for giving your valuable time to Mr. Mikaboshi. Keep your blessing hands on Mr. Mikaboshi. Bye bye. Till the next video.
तेरी माँ का.